How to fix Google Meet audio issues while presenting screen on PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will see how we can fix if you have any audio issues while presenting screen on Google Meet. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you have already joined a meeting in your PC and if you have some audio problems, here, navigate to this menu bar at the bottom of this interface or at the bottom of this screen meeting or the Zoom meeting. There you will have this three dot which is more options. Click on it. A drop down or the menu box will pop up in your interface. Here click on settings. Once you're under settings, go to the audio section. So once you are under this audio section, at the first there is microphone. Click on this drop down and make sure that you have chosen the correct microphone, which may be your inbuilt microphone in your laptop or any external microphone if you have attached. So from here, make sure to choose the right one. And once you have done that, now if you go down towards the speaker, again click on this drop down, and here also make sure to choose your correct speaker, whether you want it through the headphones or the speakers. So again here choose the right one. Once you have done that, now you can close this, and this will help you fix any audio issues in your Google Meet. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.